Hi, I'm Austin Edger, and this is the technical feature I was working on this week. Me and my partner, Ethan, are working on a boxing workout. And basically the idea is that Alexa within rounds will give you certain punch combinations. Punches between 1 and 6 are different numbers of boxing punches, and you'll perform those punches as she commands them to you. So for my section, I was working on the specific round where Ethan was working on taking more end user input and going between rounds. I was working on the single round and how we were going to make the Alexa generate these punches randomly and say them to the user. So this feature, I had a lot of problem with other skills that tried to do this, where they were saying combinations like 1-1-2, 2-1-2, but the cadence to them was all wrong. It sounded like Alexa was just reading a page, and there needs to be better pauses in between them. And these pauses need to be different, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter, to give you like a real feel of somebody actually calling out punches for you. So the feature that I found that Alexa had from doing some research was this speech synthesis markup language, where it's kind of like XML, and you can pass in these strings with these markups. And specifically the markup I found was this break time markup that can add these pauses and make it sound more realistic for the user, instead of her just reading these punches with no breaks and no time for you to perform them in between. So I will go to my code now and I will run it. Alexa, run boxing round demo.
Welcome to Boxing Round Demo. What would you like to do?
Start round. So in this case, the round is hard-coded to round
Starting
3.
round 3. Ready? Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3.
And these pauses are randomly generated between
1,
these.
2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1. 3, 2, 3.
So you can see that that pause was a
1,
lot
1,
longer
1.
than some of the other pauses you've heard.
1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 3.
So this is an example. I'm going to stop it now.
3, 2, 2.
But you could kind of hear that the punches kind of had a cadence to it. So she said 1, 2, 3. There might have been a 4-second pause, and then a 1, 2, 1, maybe only a 1-second pause. Let's look at the code and see how that was done. So right now the speak out is just a long string that is generated with what my partner did this week with the different built-in intents. Repeat intents will be able to stop that and do it a little differently, but this was great for the first iteration. So you can see I have a class that I made where I construct this a combo, and I use another function to create a whole round. And each round, let's say the first round only has punches 1 and 2, and they're only length 2. So 1, 2, 1, 1. And the second round, they only have punches 1 through 2, and it's length 3. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. And then each round it gets increasingly harder. But the technical feature here is after it randomly generates a combination for the round, it adds to the string this break time, which is also a randomly generated number between 1 and 3, is how many seconds it's going to pause in between. So it's going to give us that real life feel, that real life cadence, and make it different every time you do it. All the punches are obviously generated differently, but this is going to give that feel in between punches where it's more realistic. So that's the feature I worked on this week, and my partner did a lot of good work too. And I think combining our work, it's going to turn out really nice. So thank you.